Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another Grove collaborative haul for you guys so you can see what I got this time around. So if you want to see what I got, then keep watching. Okay, the first thing I got, which I was really excited about, is a Countertop Compost. And this is the Full Circle Breeze Odor-Free Countertop Compost Collector. So what you do with this is, if you like to garden, or even if you don't, you can compost your food. It cuts down on your trash. Instead of throwing old food in the trash, you just scrape your plate off in here, put your like orange peels in here, banana peels in here, just one less thing going in the trash. And if you know anything about gardening, you know that for the most part in the United States, our soil is compromised and it's lacking in nutrients, so we need to put that back into the soil. And if you are a gardener or like to plant flowers, or a small vegetable garden, or a big garden, or an orchard, if you are into any of that, which I am, then you need one of these. Some people have big ones outside, but I just kind of collect all mine in a bowl and keep it covered. But it gets fruit flies in it and maggots in it quickly, and it starts to stink pretty quickly. So this one has a special lid to keep flies out, and it's to like traps the odors in there until it's full, and then you can take it out to your outdoor compost or wherever you like to put your compost. You can put it directly into your garden, and yeah, it can sit on your counter and not stink up your house. So that is awesome. When I saw this, I was like, this is the answer to my prayers right here. So super excited about this. It is non-toxic, earth-friendly materials, plastic and recycled plastic. It says responsible living, composting reduces landfill waste, uses less water in gardening. It's an intentional design, easy to use and assemble, and you can find out more at fullcirclehome.com. And this is dishwasher safe. Looks like, here's the top. Let's go ahead and pull this off. Whoops. Here's the lid. These are compostable baggies to put in there. That's awesome. And then it just shows you how to assemble and disassemble. And it says, why compost? It's one hell of a multitasker, acting as a natural fertilizer for better yields in your garden, loosening dense clay soils and helping sandy soils retain water without any nasty petroleum-based compounds. It also helps reduce waste in landfills across the country, which receive about 60 million tons of food scraps and yard trimmings every year. Thankfully, every little bit helps, and our Breeze collector makes it super easy to get started. What if my thumb is more black than green? Composting is becoming more common, and your city probably already has a community center where you can donate your scraps. Check out earth911.com or epa.gov for info on resources close to you. What exactly can I compost? Fruit and veggie scraps, wine corks, dryer lint and dust bunnies, sawdust, pencil shavings, wood chips, hay and straw, yard clippings and grass, even ashes from your fireplace, and tons more. Stale crackers, cereal, bread, coffee grounds and filters, tea bags and loose tea, eggshells, which are great for your garden, like as a natural pesticide. Something about eggshells is I'm not sure exactly, but I've heard on Pinterest, I think, that you can use eggshells in your garden to add calcium and as a natural pesticide. Nutshells, houseplant trimmings and leaves, cardboard rolls, cereal boxes, shredded newspaper, dairy substitutes, cooked rice and pasta, and paper towels. So it does say shredded newspaper and cereal boxes, and you can compost those, but I prefer not to because they have inks and dyes in them that I'd rather not have in my garden seeping into the roots of my food that's growing. So if you're planning on using your compost in your garden, just keep that in mind. So yeah, that's my little countertop compost. The next thing I got was this Method bathroom cleaner. This is their naturally derived tub and tile cleaner in eucalyptus mint, non-toxic plant-based power green technology, dissolves soap scum, cleans mold and mildew stains. So I do have the anti-bac bathroom cleaner, and this one is specifically for your tub and tile. So I just wanted to try something different. Next thing is by Caldrea, and this is more of a luxury item, I feel like, because this was like $14 for the small bottle of fabric softener. But I've heard that their products smell incredible, and I just wanted to get something nice for myself. Oh yeah, it smells good, real good. This one is in the scent Sweet Pea, and yeah, this is a aromatherapeutic housekeeping. So has plant-derived ingredients, no artificial colors, biodegradable, not tested on animals. Plastic bottle is 25% PCR recyclable. Yeah, it's a blend of essential oils and plant-derived softening agents, provide natural freshness. The next thing is the Method Steel for Real cleans and polishes in the scent Apple Orchard, surface safe, non-toxic, plant-based, cleans fingerprints and smudges with no streaking, and it is non-toxic. So if you watch Love Meg's channel, I believe she said she didn't like this one, or maybe it was the Mrs. Myers ones that she didn't like. I think it might have been the Mrs. Myers one, stainless steel cleaner she didn't like. So I've been using the Weeman's, but it is not non-toxic. So I wanted to find a non-toxic or more natural stainless steel cleaner from our home. So I just wanted to try a different one, and this one is by Method. I will probably try Mrs. Myers next and see which one I like best out of these two. So the next thing I got was this Mrs. Myers Clean Day Room Refresher, non-aerosol, made with essential oils, and this is the scent Honeysuckle. And this one is made without propellants, phthalates, formaldehyde, parabens, and artificial colors. Bottles are made with 25% post-consumer plastic. And yeah, let's see how it smells. It smells good. I've got the lemon verbena, and then the lavender one, and then this one's honeysuckle. So I really like these room refreshers. So there's that one, and I did get this for free with my order. And I also got this hand cream for free. This is the Grove Collaborative brand hand cream, and this says exceptionally nourishing, naturally organic ingredients made with pure essential oils. This one did bust in the box. It was on the bottom of the box, but only a little bit came out, so I'm not going to worry about it. This is in the scent Bergamot Orange with moisturizing coconut and rosehip oil. So that's everything for this month's order. I hope you enjoyed this. If you want to check out Grove Collaborative, I'll leave my link below. Thank you so much for watching. I love you, and Jesus loves you too. Please don't forget to like and subscribe down below if you enjoyed this video, and thanks again. Bye.